1. The science of physics was first developed by ancient Greeks in 500 BC. 2. The first scientist to be credited with the discovery of gravity was Sir Isaac Newton. 3. The average human body contains enough carbon to produce about 9,000 pencils. 4. The first vaccine was developed by Edward Jenner in 1796 to protect against smallpox. 5. The word science was first used in the 15th century. 6. The first electric battery was created by Italian scientist Alessandro Volta in 1800. 7. The most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. 8. The Big Bang Theory is the leading explanation for the origin of the universe. 9. The average human body contains about 10 trillion cells. 10. The average person has about 5 liters of blood in their body. 11. A single atom of hydrogen is so small that it takes about 25 million of them to form a single grain of salt. 12. The Sun is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium gases. 13. The speed of light is 299,792 kilometers per second. 14. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched in April 1990 and is still in use today. 15. Sound travels faster in water than in air. 16. The average distance between the Earth and the Moon is 238,855 miles. 17. The average temperature on the surface of the Sun is 5,500 degrees Celsius. 18. The average adult human has approximately 206 bones. 19. The Earth's atmosphere is composed mostly of nitrogen and oxygen gases. 20. Approximately 71% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. 21. The Earth's core is composed mainly of iron and nickel. 22. The average lifespan of a red blood cell is about 120 days. 23. Albert Einstein developed the theory of relativity in 1905. 24. The average human heart rate is 72 beats per minute. 25. The average human brain weighs about 3 pounds. 26. The average human body temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. 27. The average speed of a rocket launch is about 18,000 miles per hour. 28. The Earth is estimated to be 4.6 billion years old. 29. The average person breathes about 16 times per minute. 30. The average life expectancy of humans is around 78 years. 31. There are over 8.7 million species of living organisms on Earth. 32. The average height of an adult human is 5 feet and 10 inches tall. 33. The Earth's surface is estimated to be over 70% water. 34. The average human can only see visible light that has wavelengths between 400 and 700 nanometers. 35. The average human body contains about 10 pints of blood. 36. The average human heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood through the body every day. 37. The average human body contains more than 60,000 miles of blood vessels. 38. The average human body contains enough water to fill a 12-ounce can of soda. 39. The average human body is composed of about 65% oxygen. 40. The average human body contains about 100 trillion cells. 41. The average human body contains about 5.6 liters of blood. 42. The average human body contains about 2.4 kilograms of calcium. 43. The average human body contains about 2.2 kilograms of fat. 44. The average human body contains about 1.4 kilograms of protein. 45. The average human body contains about 0.25 kilograms of minerals. 46. The average human body contains about 0.2 kilograms of carbohydrates. 47. The average human body contains about 0.15 kilograms of vitamins. 48. The average human body contains about 0.1 kilograms of water. 49. The average human body contains about 0.05 kilograms of enzymes. 50. The average human body contains about 0.01 kilograms of hormones.